Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can publish fast. You need a verified channel with two-step security and access to YouTube Studio. Once that's in place, record vertical content in 9:16 format under 60 seconds. Make your first uploads in a batch. Film 3 to 5 shorts with clear hooks in the first 3 seconds, a single useful takeaway, and a short call to action. This gets you momentum and data to refine what viewers respond to. Once you have uploads, focus on retention and discoverability. You must grab attention in the first 3 seconds and aim to keep viewers past 40% of the video. Test 2 hook versions to see which sticks. Then optimize metadata. Use search-friendly titles, 1 or 2 hashtags including hash shorts, and a concise description with keywords. Make sure to engage in comments during the first hour, pin a top reply, and plan to repost or remix the best-performing short after 7 to 10 days. You move to revenue once metrics align. Check whether you meet YouTube Partner Program requirements or eligibility through Shorts Fund criteria. Enable monetization in Studio and link an approved AdSense account, then diversify income. Negotiate brand deals, add affiliate links, and offer merch where appropriate. If monetization stalls, troubleshoot immediately. Review audience retention graphs to find drop points, swap your hook or thumbnail, and vary posting times. Make sure to iterate every 1-2 weeks until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.